Out here right outside of Alta Ski Resort, heading up the north side of the road to try to do Mount Superior today. We'll drop the north side of it via one of the cardiac chutes, then have to come back over and drop the south side back to the road. And out here with Zoe, she seems to be seeing a man about a horse over there. I think everything got situated. It was bluebird skies, and hopefully it's an epic day. There she is. That was fun. Good holds. Made it less spicy. Quite a bit of scrambling on this this route, and exposed ridges definitely keeps you on your toes here. There's Zoe. Thanks, tree. Yeah. You
made it
on top of Mount Superior. It is absolutely gorgeous out. And then we're about to drop this chute down here. Woo! Holy shit! That was sick! Yeah! Absolutely epic ride down the chute. Oh, right there. And then just opened her up through here. Yeah, and Zoe crushed it. Now we're just gonna get some fun powder down to the you. So we just got to the bottom of the run now, officially. And I can't even speak how awesome that was. So we just came, we can even get this off the summit, drop those chutes, and now we're down here. And now we have to skin back out to there, drop back to the other side to the car. Yeah.
Let's do it.
So we've gotten to a spot where we need to ski down in split mode, but it looks a little dicey, so hopefully you don't fall. I also don't know how to ski. Here we go. Fully gripped. Zoe's out here ripping away. Ex-skier. Whoa! Holy shit. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ew. So we're back up to the saddle. I think it's called Cardiff saddle. I'm not sure. This is where we started booting earlier. Right there. And then now...
Last strap to the car.
Yeah, we just dropped down this right to the car. Car's somewhere in there. Yeah. Maybe over there. Who knows? So we just got back to the van. We were up on top of Mount Superior right there. But we dropped the north side of it, which was epic powder run. So, what'd you think, Zoe?
Epic day.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think anything could have went any better.
4th class bridge traverse to the summit.
Yeah, got a little sporty there, which was fun.
Little rock climbing.
Yeah. Got to the summit and there was only like a few tracks in the chute that we wanted to do. I think it's called Cardiac Chute, but we're not sure. But yeah, I mean, all-time conditions the whole way down. Now we're back at the van, drinking a beer.
How's yours?
Drinking a beer. Cheers.